Hi friends, in this video I am going to share you the most effective hair oil to treat hair fall, baldness and grey hair. This hair oil restores your natural hair color and promotes new hair growth. The main ingredient used in this hair oil is Kalonji Seeds. Kalonji seeds, also known with various names like black seeds, onion seeds or fennel flower seeds. These black seeds are rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which strengthen your hair follicles. These black seeds helps in treating hair fall, dandruff and preventing premature graying of hair. These black seeds can be easily available in any departmental stores or you can purchase them through online. Next ingredient, Fenugreek seeds or Methi. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein and are beneficial against hair fall, dandruff and treating various scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness and thinning of hair. Next ingredient, coconut oil. Coconut oil helps in promoting thicker and longer hair. Vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil not only nourishes hair but also strengthens the hair follicles. Next one, castor oil. It is rich in omega-6 fatty acids which helps in improving overall hair health and hair texture. Final ingredient, olive oil. It helps in eliminating dandruff and split ends of the hair and also effectively works in conditioning your hair. So without delay, let us check it out how to prepare Kalonji hair oil. To prepare this hair oil, initially take few black seeds into grinding jar and grind them to form a fine powder. Similarly, add few fenugreek seeds into grinding jar and grind them to form fine powder. Next, we should proceed with double heating method. For this, take a pan and add water to it. After that, keep bowl in water and turn on the flame. Now add 100 ml of coconut oil to bowl. Add 20 ml of castor oil and 20 ml of olive oil to it. Next, add 2 teaspoons of black seeds powder to it. And add 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds powder to it and allow it to simmer on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes by stirring it occasionally. After 15 minutes, turn off the flame and allow the oil to cool down to room temperature and later serve it to a container and close with lid to make it as airtight container. Next, you should keep this oil to sunlight for minimum 7 days before using it. After 7 days, the oil is loaded with all the nutrients of Kalonji and Fenugreek seeds and it is ready for use. Take small quantity and apply this to all over the scalp by taking out each and every section of your hair. Massage with this oil for 10 to 15 minutes so that it improves blood circulation to your scalp and promotes new hair growth. I recommend to apply this oil before going to bed and leave it for entire night, and next day you can rinse your hair with any mild shampoo. Repeat this twice or thrice per week up to 8 weeks to notice visible results in your hair growth and to restore natural color of your hair. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap on bell icon for further notifications.